Commission on Elections, or COMELEC Chair George Erwin Garcia directly answered the allegation being hurled against the poll body and Miru, the chosen system provider for the 2025 elections. This after Sagip Party List Representative Rodante Marcoleta issued an allegation against COMELEC and Miru. The lower house Solon asked about supposed transactions from South Korea that are being transferred to offshore banks allegedly connected with COMELEC officials.
There are total 18 banks and 49 number of accounts. The most intriguing part here, ladies and gentlemen, is that these accounts are traceable to one COMELEC official. This is a work in progress. You must be patient with me, and you have to bear with me because we're still verifying most of these accounts.
Diyos ang aking saksi, wala po ako kahit anong foreign account o kahit anong bahay o property o lupa sa kahit anong foreign lands. Nag-i-issue ako ng waiver sa alleged account sa lahat ng naandun sa listahan. Kung akin yon, marapat na tingnan, buksan at alamin kung talaga bang may tunay na account. At kung ano yung laman yon, kung sino may gusto, kanila na po yung lahat ng laman ng accounts na yon.